Hi friends, it's Mrs. Holbrook here. I hope that everyone is healthy and safe. I am here to do some foundations and we're going to do a little letter formation. I think everyone recognizes the paper here. What does everyone call the letter on the top? It's the skyline. See the picture of the sun and cloud? And the dotted line in the middle is called the plane line because when airplanes fly in the sky, sometimes it looks like they leave a little dotted tail. And the next one down is the grass line, it's the ground. And then down low, some letters go down below, is the worm line. So today we are going to be practicing the letter P. P, pan, P. Can anyone think of a word that starts with P? Look around and see, what do you see? I see a pine cone. I see something purple. I see a pig. Not really. I don't see a pig, but pig starts with P. Okay, so let's practice. Now, you could do this with a pencil and paper. You can do it with crayons, chalk. If you have Cool Whip, you could put it on a plate and then practice. Whatever fun idea you have. You could also take like stamps and stamp the letters, or like line up your toy cars shaped like the letters. All right, but here is how we do it. I think, what color should I pick? I'm going to do red. So we need to, for the letter P, it starts on the plane line. So point to the plane line, go down to the worm line, trace back up to the plane line, and around to the grass line. P, pan, P. Now kids, remember, when you practice these letters, you should say these things as you go if you need, and you should always say the letter name and sound at the end. Watch me again. Repeat after me. Start on the plane line. Go down to the worm line. Trace back up. Do not pick up your pencil or whatever you're writing with. We don't pick it up. Trace all the way back up to the plane line and around to the grass line. P, pan, P, P. You should feel that air popping out when you say it. Good. Now remember, your grip is very important. So if you are using a pen, pencil, or crayon, make sure that you are pinching and wrapping. We don't want to see anyone holding their pencil like this or like this. We really want to see a good pencil or pen grip. Excellent. Have fun practicing the letter P. And before I leave, one more thing is that not only can you practice like that, but you can practice with your skywriting. So when we skywrite, remember, we have our two fingers out and we really visualize it. We try to see it in the air. So point to the plane line, go down to the grass line, trace back up to the plane line, and around to the grass line. P, pan, P. And don't forget, no broken pencils like this. You want to have a nice straight arm. All right, have fun practicing P.